In our last class, we discussed about homemade polish and cleaning agents. Today our topic is preparation of homemade polish and cleaning agents. Preparation of homemade furniture polish. Materials needed for making homemade polish and cleaning agents are kerosene, candles, bar soaps, boiling water. Procedures are as follows. Gale the candle and soap. Place the great mixture in an earthenware pot, or enamel pot, and add boiling water. Stand the pot in boiling water and allow the content to melt. Beat the method mixture thoroughly into a cream using a wooden spoon. Add turpentine gradually and keep beating until the polish is perfectly blended. Store in a good container and well cover. Preparation of homemade cleaning agents. Materials needed for making homemade cleaning agents are eggshell, detergent, broken chinaware. Procedures are as follows. Grind the eggshell and piece of chinaware into fine powder. Sift the mixture to smooth powder. Mix the powder thoroughly with detergent powder. Store in a covered container. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.